Well, Yosemite, we're here. Like I said, turn around. I'm right here. Yosemite. Well, can't see it too well. I'll get somebody to take a picture of me, so we'll hold on here, but this is where it is. Yosemite right there. Okay. Today is May the 18th, and this is El Capitan. There are a number of climbers up there. There's one guy over in the shade that has like a red something there. Then up here, there's some guys right up in here. There's a couple down lower here. And then there's some up higher. It's hard to point here on the lens. Up in this area here. So it's quite a number of them up there. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 8 that I can see. But we're in Yosemite, and that's El Capitan. A lot of climbers up there today. Everybody's sitting out here in the meadow or whatever, watching them. We got the scopes up here, and I took a picture with my cell phone in the scope, so maybe that will turn out, and I can show you. But I don't see how they can do that. To me, it looks impossible, especially this guy over in the shade. That rock looks like it's super smooth. There are no crevices or anything. At least up on this side here, you got some cracks and crevices and, you know, something to work with up here. But over here, come on, there's nothing. What's this guy doing? I don't know. So we'll see. And then down at the bottom, there looks like there might be somebody down here at the bottom, down in this area. Can't really tell. I didn't bring the binoculars with me, so I'll have to. And the scope, they just have the scopes trained into one person or something there, so okay. There's El Capitan, Yosemite Falls right there. Okay, another viewpoint here. Have a nice little last look. Today's our last day. Tomorrow we all head home. So we're just finishing up here. A quick stop right along the road here. And that's where the climbers were, going up there, where we saw the suns on one side and the shade on the other. We were sitting in this area over here. So there it is.